There is a fish, a perch. I'm only going to be fishing with this lure today. So I gotta find a way to the other side. There must be a bridge somewhere. So I did find a way down. It's so amazingly clear. The water is very clear. Easy to see if there's any fish. Oh, that spot over there. I want to get it over there. Nah, just a lot of grass here. Archery here would just be amazing. Like up there. There is a big fish right there. I think it's a carp. So there is big fish here. Okay. Shit, I'm probably gonna spook it. Yeah, doesn't care. But yeah, there's a big fish swimming. It's super shallow here. I'm still just continuing around this part of the fort. It's amazing. But it is very shallow. Okay, it deepens up here. There is a fish, a perch. Oh my god, I have been looking for you for a long time today, and you of course hooked yourself in the most difficult way. Yes, finally. This is my favorite fish to catch, because they're usually very easy. They're also supposed to be very good eating fish. And we're gonna whoop, boop, boop. Nice. That is what I needed today. That gave me a good boost to continue. Oh, okay. There are fish in this part. I would love to continue, but I have a serious stomach cramp at the moment. I don't know why, but I'm just enjoying the view. The sun is also on its way down. Turns out I had to fart. That was it. Getting a little better in my stomach. So I'm gonna stop for today. I caught one fish, I hooked a couple, I had some that followed the hook. I saw some big fish, I saw some small fish. So it was a good day. I love fishing. It's very relaxing, and especially when things are looking a bit grim.